Good morning. It is 6:15 in the morning and we're about to head off to go fishing. We're here in Los Cabos, day 3. And let's see what we catch, guys. It's supposed to be really popular for fishing here in Cabo. I believe there's a tournament in a few days called Bisbee, if I'm correct. And if not, correct me in the comments. But let's see what we catch, guys. And yeah. I have my little tea here. It's not super cold. I'm always cold, but I thought it was going to be really cold, but it's not. The weather's actually really nice. Ooh. Let's see what we get. We've caught tuna, we've caught grouper, rooster fish before. We've hooked a couple marlins, but we've never actually had the opportunity to reel them in, so you never know. We'll see what happens. So here we are along with many other fishermen. Everybody's waiting for bait, so we're just waiting. Fishermen over there is catching all the bait and then they sell it to all the fishermen here. So yeah, we're waiting for our bait. Oh, Laura. of yellow fin tuna and some triggerfish. It's gonna be delicious. We're gonna fillet this and we're gonna take it back home. So yeah, unfortunately we didn't catch anything in the trailing, but we did not come back empty-handed. It was great. I hope you guys enjoyed this. So it's our last night here in Cabo. I've been waking up to this beautiful view. So it is our last day, so we're just gonna go ahead and enjoy it. They've been telling us about this art walk that they have downtown, so we're gonna go check it out and see what it's all about. But look at this beautiful view. You get the golf course, the mountains, the beach. It's so pretty. So we just got here and I hear they're doing some music over there. They have a lot of art set up. So we're gonna check it out and see what else they got going on, what kind of food and everything. Maybe a souvenir or something. Check it out, guys. Yesterday, they have one here. We were hoping for a marlin, but it didn't happen. A shark? I've caught a shark before. Walking through the little market. They have a lot of things. They have bracelets, necklaces, earrings, a lot of different arts and crafts. A lot of nice stuff. There's so much, but you just have to experience it on your own because, yeah, it's fun. A lot of things are just handmade, which is nice. So as we were walking, I seen them making handmade cigars, which is pretty cool that they make them there for you. I don't smoke and I don't have anybody to give these to, so I just thought I would
record a little bit for you guys and show you. But yeah, super cool. A lot of the things here are, I would say, about 90% of them handmade.
So we're here at Los Reos, and the food smells delicious. So I don't have a menu yet, but let's see what we end up ordering. And it's really nice here. I like the decorations, tree, nice and breezy. Got some guacamole and some salsas here. This one, I actually gave it a try already. It's spicy. And then we got this red one. And look at how cute. It has like a little molcajete. Super cute. Let me try this. We ordered it spicy. Delicious. So they had a lot of options for margaritas, so I asked my waiter to surprise me, and he brought me this maracuyada. I really don't know what it is, but it's delicious. And all of our food is here. We have some empanadas de chicharrón. And then I ordered these shrimp al ajo, garlic shrimp, and lamb. So the margarita was so good. This is actually margarita number 3. It was delicious. I still don't know what that fruit looks like. I'm gonna have to Google it later, but it tastes so good. And then for dessert, they brought a flan earlier, but we demolished it. So yeah, but it was delicious. And here we have this pan de elote. It has a little bit of ice cream here in the top, some fruit, and it has some rompope inside. So let me see. Let me see. It's super thick. So we are back. Unfortunately, Cabo is over. We just landed and we came to grab a bite. We are at this place called The Stand. They specialize in sandwiches and salads, so we're splitting a Cobb salad, and then I have a ABC burger and some sweet potato fries.